Okay, so I have been waiting a long time to do this unboxing. I received this from Lenscoat quite some time ago, but I just haven't had the opportunity to kind of get out and test it. So we're going to try and do that today. See what's inside. So now that we've got it open, what we have here is the Lenscoat Ground Pod. Oh, cool! It comes with a cover too. I didn't realize that. So there's the cover. I don't know if you can see it. It is kind of a cloudy, backlit day, but a nice little carrying cover that has a clip on it where you can attach that to your bag, etc. And here's the ground pod itself. Now, the construction isn't like anything fancy. I forget what the material actually is on this. I'll put that in the description when I post it, but it's just a simple, straightforward flat plate. I like that. That's a nice touch. It's got a rubber protector for the screw, and then that just goes directly into your camera or whatever you're using to attach it to the ground pod. I have seen pictures of it, and I'll probably what I'll use. Right now I've got the Newer gimbal. You just screw in the gimbal, and then you can sit it right on the ground, and you're at ground level, because we all know when we're, especially if you're doing birds quite a bit, and shorebirds, water birds, ducks, etc., having it as close to the ground as you can is awesome. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. I'm really digging this, that it comes with a cover. So here's the cover here. It's a neoprene, I believe. There's the little hook. You can connect to your tripod, you can connect it to your bag, etc. And then a heavy duty zipper. Kind of a half moon opening. I presume this is real tree. I don't know which one, but yeah, that's a great cover. Typical quality I expect to see from Lenscoat. Anyhow,